Hello, my name is Tosh with Shuttle Computers, and thank you for visiting our booth today. We want to focus a little bit on a specific product we're showcasing at the trade show. This product is called the Box PC. One great thing about this PC for a lot of integrators that it's a commercial PC in the sense that you could do negative 20 to 60 Celsius installations, so it's a very ruggedized platform. What we do with this product is really focus on supporting customers with more built-to-order customizations. As you can see, the front panel is completely modular, so depending on exactly what the project requirements are, some of our installations might require basically more USB clusters, maybe a GPIO cluster, and we're able to configure that specifically to that project need. So again, it's a great wide temperature industrial commercial installation PC. Again, that's called the Box PC. You can find it at shuttlecomputers.com.